Well. Let's see how this all works. I am doing this a little different tonight. Due to problems with my iShowU Instant, I am now using OBS Studio 22. And tonight we're going to take a look at Fedora Workstation 28. And I will transition us over. If this is working properly, on your screen you should see on the left the GNOME file manager. Pretty standard fare. It's got the normal options on the left side, options along the top to change the view. And on the right hand side of the screen we've got the terminal, which is currently running updates. Now, we may very well see this virtual machine crash and burn tonight because I've already received a warning of low disk space. So this may be very interesting very quickly. So if we drop out of that, we can take a look at what Fedora has done with the network manager. Go to wired configuration, wired settings. And we should see here shortly sometime, maybe, what we should be seeing is the network manager that comes with Fedora 28. However, it is not loaded at this point. So, maybe. On your screen, we see the network manager, which, as you can see on the left, is integrated into the settings of GNOME. And much like on a macOS device, you can pretty much access everything from one spot. Now, other people have their preferences. I tend to like to see this more independent, but that's just a personal preference. And you've got the normal stuff here: details, identity, IP version 4 and version 6, and security. While we're in the settings, we can look at backgrounds, which they don't offer a whole lot. 2, no pictures, or you could go solid colors. Notifications, you can turn on or off notifications. You can turn on and off pop-ups and lock screen notifications. I'm going to turn that off right now. Search, region and language, universal access, online accounts, if you feel the desire to enter any one of those accounts, or use Exchange, set up an email account, different things that they have here. Privacy, they've got lock screen, this is all turned on by default. Sharing, file sharing, screen sharing, media, and remote logon. Now, these are not defaults. I've played around with this already a little bit, and it's not bad. Not bad. It's been quite a long time since I've played with Fedora, and I have to say I'm rather impressed with what they've done with it in the years I've been away from it. Go back to activities. Firefox is the default browser. We've got Rhythmbox for the music player, Evolution for email. We've got our software store, and of course your show applications. Ramina for remote desktop. I've added Wireshark. There's a video viewer on here. Personally, I would have preferred to see VLC player, but again, that's a personal preference. On that note, I am going to let this go ahead and finish its updates. Oh, our video player did pop up. Channels, Apple movie trailers. Oh, this is interesting. It picked up my videos on my QNAP NAS. See if anything on here I can even get away with showing. Well, here's my fog server video, one of them, and it'll start playing here, maybe. Unable to play file. H.264 main profile decoder is required to play the file but is not installed. Find in software. We'll fix this problem. Maybe. With updates running in the background, it may not let us. Software needs to be restarted to use new plugins. Restart now. Anyways, as you can tell, I still have a few things to learn and to play with in Fedora Workstation 28. But this is my first look, and I hope you found this interesting. For Practical IT, this is Jeremy signing off. If you like this video, please click subscribe. Click the thumbs up icon, click the bell icon if you'd like to be notified of future videos. If you'd like to leave comments below, I do try to get back to each of the comments that are left. I may not always be able to create a video to address those comments, but when it's feasible, I absolutely do my best to try to make those videos. Until next time, this is Jeremy signing off for Practical IT. Have a great day.